What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the ABT Arcblock token on Coinbase. So for the first step you will need a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, you can simply sign up through the link in the description and get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. For the next step we will need to log into our account on Coinbase, and if you have done that you will arrive at this homepage. And now we will go to the search bar right on top and type in ABT. And there you will see the Arcblock token. We will click on that. Now you will arrive at the token page. And now you have to decide how much euros or dollars you want to spend on this purchase. Let's say we would like to spend 1000 euros. And then we will receive 1319 coins of the ABT, the Arcblock token. For the next step, we will be able to select our payment method. I would like to leave it on this one, but you can change it to your preferable payment method. And then we will click on review order. Now I will give you guys a very useful tip to save yourself a lot of money if you make daily trades on Coinbase. If you use the Coinbase One subscription, you can use it for free for 7 days. Then you don't pay the transaction fee for every trade you make on Coinbase. So for now we are paying 38 euros, but if you use the Coinbase One subscription, you don't pay the transaction fee. This will save you a lot of money if you trade on daily base on Coinbase. So definitely try that out and save yourself a lot of money. For the next step, we will click on buy now, and after that the coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!